Alright, ¿qué pasa everybody? So today I'm going to work on my little commuter. I'm going to show you guys how to change out some upper control arms. Right here. These are camber, for the camber on this. So let me show you guys real quick. I know this isn't the right way to measure, but let's check it. Alright. You can see the bubble is right there. And that's how much it's off, pretty much. So almost half an inch. But yeah, so we're gonna fix that today with those. These are just some cheapy eBay ones. We'll see how they work out. But this is my 1998 Civic 4-door EX 5-speed with the 1.6 single overhead cam VTEC, and it's lowered. I think it's 1.9 in the front and 1.7 in the back, around there. So here it is. Quick little look. And it's on GSR blades with the 195/55/15 tire. So yeah. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start with disconnecting the battery. It's right there, and we got to disconnect it because one of the bolts is right there, so we got to remove the battery and remove the air box too, because there's another one right here. So we're going to start with the driver's side, and I'll show you guys with that. We'll go from there. But let's take off the tire real quick, then we'll see what's up. Alright, so we got to start by taking off the battery, removing it, because there's a bolt right there. And you got to take off the air cleaner, or the air box. There's another bolt right here. We're going to start with the passenger side and remove the tire. So let's get to it. Alright, so now we're going to get some needle nose and remove this cotter pin and the bolt. So let's do that real quick. And that looks like a 17. Yep. Now don't take it off all the way. Leave a couple of threads in there. You'll see why right now. Right, so now you're gonna get this little guy right here. You want to smack it right there on the side. Hopefully it'll come out. Watch out for your brake line and your ABS. There you go. Popped off right there. Mine's not gonna be tension because there's lowering springs, so at least I don't think it is. We'll find out right now. Nah, so we're good. Says this, no. Maybe. like that. Came off. So it's off. See, now we're gonna do the inside. So you got one right there, and one right there. So let's get those off real quick. Alright, once you take that one off and that one off, it should just come out. That's it. And now we're gonna get the L, R, so we're gonna get the left. Now that's how you adjust the camber. Right there. Loosen those up, and you can either move it in or out. So we'll see what happens. Let's get to it. Alright, so now that these are in, right there, you don't want to tighten them all the way. Tighten it just not all the way, because you want to tighten it when the car is on the ground. So I'm going to put them in a little more, and once the car's on the ground, I'm going to tighten them all up. So, yeah. And just do the same for over here. Put this on. You can tighten this up, cotter pin, put your tire back on, drop it, and start adjusting. So just get that done real quick. Alright, there it is. Tightened up with the cotter pin. I gotta put the tire, and I'll show you guys how to do that on the other side so you know how quick it takes. It's not too long at all. Alright, so on this side I'm gonna show you guys how quick it is in real time. I'm gonna record it, show you how quick it is. Taking off the tire and the whole upper controller. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod and let it roll. Alright, here we go. So first, let's take off the tire. Then we'll remove the cotter pin. Oh, that's probably the hardest part. Oh, it broke. Come on. Making me look bad. There we go. Drop the cotter pin. Take off the nut. There. Give it a smack. There we go. Take off the bolt. Right there. Alright. Now we got to get a 14. And I'm going to cheat for the other side. Two bolts. fit right there. Now let's get the other one. Right here. ¿Qué, mijo? ¿Vas a sacar tu qué? Puzzle? Okay. Hey. Okay, mijo. Hey. Okay. That's one. Make sure it grabs. That's two. Make sure it grabs. Leave them loose. Leave it loose. Now on the bottom. I'll bring you guys in. I'll show you guys how quick it is in real life. I'm not going to edit this part out. There you go. Just put it in there. Time it. And you don't want to tighten it hella, just a good snug. Hold on. There you go. Throw in the cotter pin. I just bend one side. And there it is. Not too bad. Get the tire. Pack 17 or 19 I mean. There it is. And then drop it, tighten the inner ones. That's it, not too bad. So now drop the car, torque those to spec, and then once the car is low, tighten these up, install your battery, air cleaner, and then just adjust to your liking, I guess. I don't know if the tire shops would adjust it for you, but I guess you can try. So yeah, let me put the battery and the air cleaner on, and I'll drop it real quick. Alright, and there it is. Now you gotta take it to a alignment shop, get it aligned. They're gonna do this part. I don't know if they'll do the camber, but I'm gonna take it to my friend's shop, Daniel. See if he'll do it. Because this side's a little this way. And this side's a little out too. So yeah, there it is. Lifted it up a little bit from the front. Measure the bubbles. Yeah. Right there. It's in. Right there. Perfect. Look at that. Nice. So, oh yeah. Alrighty guys. There it is for this video. Quick camber kit installation. And then I'm gonna do a lip, headers, back lip, and that's it for this. I don't want to go too much because it's my commuter. We'll see. Probably drop in the beach one or something. I don't know. Alright, thanks. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Come back. Thank you.